Hello geNEOus community and welcome back to our monthly episode of Ask geNEOus Anything. Today's topic is related to one of the main pillars of geNEOus services. As you may have noticed, we have recently revamped our services offer and the corresponding section on the website, and this specific pillar has generated a lot of curiosity and questions. I'm talking about the training services. Depending on our clients' requests, goals, and/or projects, we can divide our training into two main categories. The ones that are offered as individual trainings and the ones that are connected to specific projects that we are undertaking with our clients. Our individual trainings, for example, focuses on enhancing international student recruitment strategies to streamline internal processes, sharing effective marketing tactics to engage with the latest generations such as Gen Z and Gen Alpha, exploring lead nurturing techniques to reactivate dormant leads, or providing with a team building workshop where we support marketing, admission, and leadership teams for an increased performance and internal alignment. Whether this happen as a workshop, keynotes, or a specific session, we strongly believe in the power of empowering internal teams and transferring knowledge to have a positive impact in the education industry and the future generations. There is another way in which you can come across our training services without it being a one-off project though. Indeed, we also do training as checkpoints or final deliverables of specific projects. Keep in mind that we at geNEOus operate fully remotely, and this has been our modus operandi since the very beginning. In fact, we were born as a remote-first company. Therefore, all our projects are delivered fully online. However, we use the in-person training as a great excuse to meet with amazing humans that are behind our clients, and we do a workshop where not only we provide with the insights and an overview of the projects that we are undergoing, but we also organize interactive sessions that encourage brainstorming and gamified activities to really push the team to develop new ideas that would be of great added value. So does this mean that our training is only provided in person? Of course not. We also deliver online training that could be customized depending on the client's needs. So whether you prefer an energetic in-person workshop or the convenience of an online training, we've got you covered. Do you have any specific training in mind? Then reach out to us and we'd be happy to help you in this knowledge transfer journey. We got to the end of this episode. Thank you for being part of the geNEOus community, and I'll see you next month for another episode of Ask geNEOus Anything.